In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Edge. Keeping your browser current is one of the easiest ways to stay secure, get performance improvements, and access the latest features. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. First, launch Microsoft Edge. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the browser needs to check Microsoft's servers for any available updates. Next, look to the top right corner of Edge and click the three dots. This opens the main menu for the browser. You'll find it right beside the address bar near your profile icon if you're signed in. From that menu, choose Settings. When you click it, Edge opens a Settings tab, which is where all of the browser's preferences and system information live. In the Settings tab, select About Microsoft Edge. You'll find this in the sidebar. As soon as you open the About page, Edge automatically starts checking for updates. You don't have to press anything else here. You may see a spinning indicator or a short message while it looks for the latest version, and it will display your current version number. If your browser is already up to date, you'll see a message that says Microsoft Edge is up to date. That means you're all set, and you can close the Settings tab and continue browsing with confidence. If an update is available, Edge will begin downloading it automatically. This can take a moment depending on your connection. You can keep using the browser while it downloads, but it's a good idea to save any work in open tabs just in case. When the download finishes, you'll see a button to restart or sometimes relaunch to apply the changes. Click that button. Edge will close and reopen, and your tabs usually restore automatically. If you have unsaved text in a web form, copy it before restarting, just to be safe. After the restart, Edge completes the update in the background and returns you to your browsing session. You can revisit the About Microsoft Edge page to confirm the update was applied. It should now say Microsoft Edge is up to date. If you ever see a note that updates are managed by your organization, that simply means your workplace controls when updates are installed. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, go to Settings, check About Microsoft Edge, and let it download and restart when prompted. Regularly checking this page ensures you always have the latest protections and features.